Sting 2013 is our almost there. Me only attend one Sting in my lifetime, and this year, nah, miss me. Can someone tell me why the box foot to show a name Sting? I must because I put more it keep. Mosquito Central. Big up Sting, final mentor reach 30. New team, Leng and Downsound Records. Yes people, with the same white man there when named Joe, the one favor Sonny T from Royal Palm Estate. The Sting 2013 this year, I try to renew the thing and I put in dancehall versus some nice oldies reggae artists. So Beenie Man I got it and I are looking forward to Beenie Man with him and him predictable and impermanent, never changing intro. Sizzler, this youth have a collection of songs that just shell. At any stage show, all Sizzler need to do is just go up there and say,
"Thank you mama for the 9 months you carry me through."
And the stage show done for. Elephant Man, this is one artist that IR1 does need to see. I don't know why he made the mistake and give himself the name Energy God. And know that him hard gain little extra poundage. God bless if him can manage to do nothing more than signal the plane. Cause we are just remember how him they does take the BET stage and boss right after him do give me a run. Daniel D.I. Miss Rebel, I just want to make sure I am there to see what you are going to wear or what you're not going to wear for that matter. Giggity. Edra Mackerel, what a brother favor him stage name? Josie Wales, I forgot to ask my mother about you. Buru Bantan, yep, me I forgot to ask her about you too. Tommy Lee, me never, boy. Keep Rich, this brother sing about every single piece of technology known to man.
Telephone thing mash up me life.
And out of nowhere, this man turned clashing Dan Dada. Back in the day, he did Elephant Man sidekick, Batman and Robin. I know in there upon a Santa Claus meds only show up once a year. Ninja Man, this are the artists I really want to see. That the Ninja song they transform me. It are changed my life. I could have just come out of a coma if I hear it. Instant bad man.
Ninja Man and Ninja no Suzuki me no ladder.
I don't even know the box foot lyrics, but I do not care. Cause me a bad man from uptown. Don't stay around. Bible beef for 2 pounds. SuperCat, what a name. I say you know say Tom and Jerry used to run the place back in the day, you know. Because I just think it is a weird name for a male artist. So I'm a 90s baby, so I don't really know much about this youth. So being the geek that I am, I had to go and do some research. So basically I find out that he used to be a face boy with whole heap of gangster swag and attitude. Box foot! I definitely have to be there to witness his return to the stage. Because the last time back in the days when what we did kill Philip, it never did turn out so good.
Yo, me was shut up.
For all on little pitney, we don't know him sing. On a next note, people, Vybz Kartel not going there for Sting, so you can just get that out of your hopes and expectation. Back with him the Macka, you could have probably try and say maybe him can squeeze through the jail bars and run go over Sting come perform. But after looking at this picture, me not think it possible again. Bounty Killer, the world wants to see you and Beenie Man on the stage again. Leng a ask feet, so Bounty try to something. Do something Bounty. Pay-per-view Bounty. Pay-per-view. Can you imagine a Vegas and Bounty Killer clash? Jerry Springer would have happy referee that. The clash would be like,
yo, wallow, Vegas is crazy. This little wannabe Johnny Bravo trying to trace me.
Daidu. Kaleido and Alkaline, I really would have loved to see a clash between the two of Uno and Sting. Mister, you do the things me love. With the Puss in Boots eye them, you're going really good this year. All who want hate him, afraid him now after him do the song there. Kaleido, their brother they have a piece of advice there. What would have make Simba from Lion King afraid? Hakuna Matata. All me have to say, before 2014 start, I am begging, me a beseech for one on a little skittle jingbang girl there where him probably know. Please, me a beg no one on a breed fee. Cause between him song, come inside, body in a bed, and you make me feel, clearly him a send a message out there to Uno, so him want to experience what a fatherhood thing there is like. Now to Miss Macka Diamond versus Lady Saw. This is one clash that IR does definitely need to see. Wait, hold up, Lady Saw. Where you past that? Cause a most sick leave or vacation you hard take from your calling. Macka Diamond, make sure you make space in your schedule. We wouldn't want to hear that you missed another clash opportunity again. Yes, Macka, we do remember you on Spice. So Macka Diamond actually would on Twitter say Lady Saw a grudge her because she have 2 hit songs and all of them something there, and Lady Saw say nothing like that, Macka Diamond. It is because of your nastiness. You in the kitchen and I go with all kind of oral monstrosities. When your son I eat out of the kitchen too, and all them things there, and Macka Diamond like, you know what, yeah, obey me and all them something there. And Lady Saw's like, well, if you think something there, obey you, why you want to perform on stage show with me? And all them things there, so we have to see how it all unfold on the 26th. Oh god, the ice cream man to make nice. At this point in time in a foot on career, on more deserve for the pan hill and gully ride. But yeah, me I thing I'm watching it still because I love Liquor Ray. I cannot hard wait to see Miriel and Sugar Mama on stage. So I'll be there, make sure that you are at just one cheap cost, $3,000. You can check out the Bring Back This Thing website in the description down below. Make sure that you are there and all of them something there because I'll be doing my review afterwards to tell you who this shot and who was not and all of them things there. So make sure you continue. Thank you for watching another Dirty Bear show. Make sure you like, subscribe and share. Check out the links for find out more information.
Alright people, watch you now. Me there Lehman, Costa Rica. You saw me I say? I do a little interview. Get a call. And guess who me hear on the phone? I said the Greek exactly like me. The swear things say my recording. The man is moment stalin, so carry to gasmo. The man is moment stalin, so carry to gasmo.